In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change your email address in Airtable. Whether you're updating it for security reasons, or simply because you've created a new email account, this guide will walk you through each step, ensuring your transition is smooth and seamless. First, we'll start by navigating to your Airtable homepage. Once you're there, you'll want to look to the top right corner of the screen. Here, you'll see your profile icon, typically represented by either your profile picture or your initials inside a small circle. Go ahead and click on this profile icon. This action will open a drop-down menu where you'll be able to access more options related to your account settings. From this drop-down menu, find the option labeled Account and give it a click. This will take you to your account settings page, where the magic happens. Here, you have the control to adjust and manage various aspects of your account information. Now, it's time to focus on changing your email. You should see an option to edit your email address. Click on Edit Email to proceed. This is where you'll input the new email address you wish to use going forward. Ensure that you've entered your new email correctly, as you won't want any typos or mistakes leading to issues with accessing your account later. After entering your new email address, Airtable requires you to verify your identity and confirm the change. To do this, you'll need to enter your current password in the given field. This step is crucial for security purposes, ensuring that you are indeed the one making this change to your account. Once your password is entered, double-check to ensure everything is correct, then click on the Save Email button. This action will finalize the email change process. There you have it. Your email address with Airtable is now updated. As a tip, remember to check your new email inbox for a confirmation email from Airtable. Sometimes they might send an additional verification step that you'll need to complete to verify your new address fully. By following these steps, you can easily and confidently update your email address on Airtable. Keep in mind the importance of keeping your login credentials secure, and enjoy the seamless functionality that Airtable offers with your newly updated contact information. Thank you for watching, and I hope you found this guide helpful. Remember to give a thumbs up if you did, and subscribe for more tutorials and insights. Have a great day.